Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, you will learn how to whiten your face and body with simple ingredients. This recipe removes pigmentation and dark spots and whiten your skin. You will get rid of all skin problems. So, we have here Dove soap, and you can replace it with your favorite soap, like carrot soap or cucumber soap. We have here rose water. Rose water cleanses and brightens skin, soothes irritated skin, balances natural oils, moisturizes skin, reduces under-eye puffiness and dark circles, slows down multiple signs of aging, protects your skin, nourishes from within, and tightens skin. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a wonderful ingredient which naturally moisturizes the skin deeply from within. It's a naturally absorbing powder which has no chemical in it. Cornstarch is a lightweight and completely antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. The ingredient helps in soothing irritated skin and refreshes the body well. Glycerin oil. Glycerin is great for the skin because it acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. Well, let's get started. So, I take my soap and I grate it. Take about 2 tablespoons of soap. Add some rose water and leave it for about 1 hour until it melts. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Now, add 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil and mix well. Put it in a container and keep it in the fridge for 7 days. Well, you can apply it every day on your face or body. Leave it for about 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. And always don't forget to moisturize your skin. And that's it. You will see the difference yourself. And before applying any face mask or any scrub, don't forget to clean your face firstly for best results. This mask will leave your skin feeling squeaky clean, glowing and just downright beautiful. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.